Hi guys, this is Lourdes. In today's video, I am going to share with you how I put on my waist trainer. It is very important to get the right size. The first time I had my waist trainer was 2 years ago, and I bought it from someone else. I had no idea if I got the right size. I just know I'm size small, and the length was long. It was long. Like when I put it on, I had a hard time putting it on, by the way, and it was long, and when I sit down it feels uncomfortable, and it just like poke my my back, my chest. But this time I got this, and I got the right size. I got short torso, size large. Without waist trainer, my waist is 36 inches. So I'm going to show you guys how I put it on. And it also recommended to wear something underneath the waist trainer. So it's easy to move the waist trainer if you have to. Because if it's like directly to the skin, it's hard. So what I do first is I like extend it or stretch it out. When I first got it, I was like, there is no way I'm able to put it on. Try to stretch it out like this. I like to start from here. I'm working from the bottom, working my way up. And as I go, as I put my hooks, I pull it down. There you go. I'm almost halfway. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna pull it, start pulling it down. There you go. See how easy that is to like pull it down, because I have my shirt on. So there you go, guys. It feels comfortable. I can breathe. You get the right size, guys. It feels comfortable, and if you get the the right length, it won't like poke you. Because the first time I bought my waist trainer, it was like really long, and when I sit, it hits my legs, so it feels really uncomfortable. So when I have my waist trainer on, my waist is 34 inches. Without my waist trainer, my waist is like this. Did you see the difference? So there you go. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, just message me or comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, you can click subscribe and hit the bell button to notify new videos. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye.